Hey, this will be a video chart on MCLN, MedClean Technologies Incorporated. Been following this one, want to get it updated after today, looking like it may be coming back to life. Still got work to do, but at the same time, if you are looking at the volume, you can see that today's price, excuse me, volume action was significantly bigger than the past, 4 or 5 weeks that the chart has had. To go along with that, had some green, not quite as much as what it was at one point during the day, as can be seen by this upper shadow here, this black line. But nonetheless, volume can precede price movement, so maybe that's what this is going on here. I'm not sure, but it's worth at least mapping out and putting on your radars, because who knows, maybe this is the beginning of something bigger that's going to come. Video won't be too long. I just want to map out some resistance and support areas, and then we'll kind of just see how it plays out tomorrow and then next week. The first thing I want to point out is how it reacted when it started to get close to this purple line here. This purple line is the 50-day simple moving average. And yes, it didn't quite get right to it, but it got close enough, kind of within the zone, within the web, however you want to look at it, to kind of show that there is some strength sitting right here. And that's good to see. This is one of the always important moving averages within the world of technical analysis. So it's good to see that the price was able to show some strength here, flex its muscles right here at the this moving average. This is actually going to be our key support. You can see that with each passing day, this continues to slope upwards. For argument's sake, right now we're just going to focus on the purple line here as being our key support level. Now, in terms of resistances, what we had today was pretty much a test of these previous highs over here. You can see here we had a high of 0.0355. Here we had a high of 0.035. Over here we had a high of 0.037. So you're getting the gist. The resistance is kind of right around in this area. We're just going to keep it simple and call it at 0.035. Today's high was at 0.0349. So almost went up there and hit it, but close enough. And this is going to be the key resistance right now. If we use our moving average as a trend line kind of thing, and then use this, you can see we have a ascending triangle pattern. So we have this uptrending moving average here. We have this horizontal resistance giving us this ascending triangle. That's kind of unconventional, but sometimes people think you always have to use trend lines to draw out patterns. Not true in my opinion. You can use moving averages just like trend lines. So, once again, with this upsloping moving average and then this resistance line here, you can see we have ascending triangle pattern. So with that being said, the key level to try to get above is going to be 0.035. If that can be the case, then the price could make a pretty quick run up to this area up here, which is where we had a couple previous highs at basically 0.044. So that could be a nice percentage move. So I'll map that out as a potential resistance, and then after that, things could really get picked up in speed. But one step at a time. Don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Right now, we just need to focus on these two resistance levels. The nearest one being right here at 0.035. So once again, just to recap, nice volume. Could it be hinting at something to come tomorrow and next week? I don't know, but we'll see. We have our nice support level here at the 50-day. We have 0.035 as our key short-term resistance. And then up here we have another resistance at 0.044 before things could really start to get kind of pretty exciting. So we'll just have to see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is everything's free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so you really got nothing to lose. Go to the site, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was MCLN. Thanks for listening.